I can see a very, very, very strong woman in my daughter. She speaks for herself and she firmly believes in the fact that there shouldn't be any bias between boys and girls.
My brother received them a lot earlier in his life. I had to be much older when I could independently do things. He was encouraged to be independent from a much younger age that I wasn't.
When I was a small girl, the privileges that were not given to me but given to my brother or anybody else in the family, that was assumed by me as, that is the way it should be. My way of protesting against that probably was that I would go ahead and join every single possible competition that was in school. I think that was the way I tried to excel in everything that I did.
I do fear if she's going to be safe at all times. At the same time, I don't want to raise her by coddling her too much because I believe she should develop as an individual. She should take decisions, she should make choices, she should choose her friends, she should choose what she wants to do in her life herself.
She's all of 29 years old and she's got her head firm on her shoulders, whether it is at household, whether it's at workplace, nothing.
Given her age, which is 7, I actively seek out books with female protagonists so that she has role models growing up through storytelling. Everyday interactions and opportunities to remove whatever little gender bias that I can, and I instill in her consciously that she can achieve whatever she wants to as long as she puts her mind to it.
I have brought up both my children with absolute awareness of equality for both boys and girls. Respect for women is something that I keep telling my son always.
I have tried to give her all the privileges that I must have been denied of. For example, I have put her in a co-ed school when I studied in an all-girls school all through my. That will give her an added benefit of getting to know and getting to manage the other gender better.
BYJU'S managed to attract and retain such amazing women, strong women, talented women, women who can be role models for life. Right? And I think BYJU'S is always looking at ways in which they are putting women front and center of everything that they do. So they are directly invested in empowering the girl child. And in the kind of content we build for lessons, we are so conscious of what message we are putting out there to women.
I would strongly say that BYJU'S is an equal opportunity employer. I see women's folk in BYJU'S everywhere. And in all departments, sales or marketing or media or even tech field, and obviously in content. Girls in BYJU'S, we rock.